Welcome to my English Learning Corner. Today we are looking at most common English words, specifically focusing on conjunctions, which connect words, clauses, and sentences together. And we are also looking at contractions. And contractions refer to shortened versions of words which cut out letters and replace them with an apostrophe. And I will show you how. Firstly, let's see which conjunctions and contractions are used most often. The conjunctions that are most common in English are and, as, or, but, while, because, that, if. So an example to use each of them. First, we will use and. I would like to have some toast with butter, or I would like to have some toast and butter. Next, we have as. I would like to see a new movie, as it would be very interesting. Next will be or. So I would like to have beef or chicken, please. Now we will use but. And for but, this is like having one idea and then changing it in the next part. So we can say, I really like dogs, but maybe not small dogs. And then number 5, while. I would like to go to the shop while it is warm enough, or while it is not raining. Now, this is a conjunction of reason. So we will give a reason using because. I really like large dogs because I can play roughly with them. Now we have than. So this can be, I really like to go to some places and visit them. Other than this, I am usually at home. We also have if. If you would like to visit them, that would be a good idea. Or it would be a good idea to visit them if you would like to. And these are the most common English conjunctions. Now we will go to contractions. Contractions are words that leave out letters and replace them with this little guy, an apostrophe. So it's will be it is. We can say it's raining outside or it is raining outside. And we also have don't. So this will be do not. We can say I don't like to go outside when it's cold, or I do not like to go outside when it is cold. In this part, we will specifically look at conjunctions. So we have coordinating conjunctions, which are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So I would like to go for some, and then whatever you would like to have. We can also say and. We already did this example. Nor. Nor is when there are two things that you don't like. So we can say, I do not like cold weather, nor do I like going outside in cold weather. So it's two things that we don't like. We've already completed but, and we've completed or as well. And now yet. So yet will refer to something other than the previous idea. I really like to go swimming, yet it might be cold outside. So it is an opposite or a contrasting idea to your first idea. We also have so. I would like to go and see my friend, so I need to get in my car and drive. Next, we have subordinating clauses, conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions. We have after, although, as far as if, as long as soon as though, because, before, even if, when, where, whenever, wherever, even though, every time, if, in order that, since, so, so that, than, though, unless, until, whenever, whereas, while. So subordinating conjunctions are usually things that rely on another idea. So they connect two different ideas and make them one. Then we have correlative conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions usually have words between them that add to their meaning. So it can be, I like, let's go with something simple with food. I like strawberries, or I like, so this is coordinating, or I like bananas. But we can also say, I either like strawberries or bananas. So that means one of the two are okay. Not only, but neither, nor, both, and, whether, or, just as, so, double the and the, as and as much as, no sooner than, rather than. So these things will put two things against each other and make a choice between the two of them. And next we have a list of contractions. So this list is quite long, therefore I will not go through all of them at this point in time. So I will just throw out that he will, he'll, he shall, he'll. These two sound the same, even though in the context we will see the difference with them. Then we also have she will and she shall, and both of them are contracted to she'll. So in the context, you have to be conscious that this can play a role. I really hope that this information has helped you in some way. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.